Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Nails in Orbit. So first off, I want to show you guys how these press-ons with the sticky tabs went. I am about to hit the table super hard and with the noise so you guys can hear how hard I'm pressing. But yeah, they stand on pretty good for me. I liked them. They're not for everyone though because they're not super strong, but here it is. But yeah, so I liked them. But now we're doing the glitter haul. So first off is these Really Just Giving 2010. I just love it so much. So cute. I can't wait to use them. Some black hearts. And then I got these all from the same store near me. Some white hearts. Oh my god, they're so cute. I just love this little mixture. I got them all from the same store near me. It was like 3 for $1 or 12 for 4. And I just had to get as many as I could. So I'm so excited to use absolutely all of these. But I wanted to show you guys, we'll use a few of these today. I almost used these in the set today, but we did not use these. This one I'm using for my sister. I can't wait. She loves the color orange. These are perfect for her. When she sees this, she's going to be really excited. I'm going to get a text, I'm sure. This set, so cute. These are like the traditional, well, I guess they're not the traditional candy hearts, but they're the 3 colors. And then these are the traditional candy hearts, and we'll be using these today. These ones are so cute too. It's like a little, I feel like a little Halloween / Valentine's Day moment would be adorable with these ones. And then this was just a fun combination. This is another one that would be great for Halloween because it's got the green and the purple and a little bit of that yellowy orange. Oh, and then here are 2 just regular glitters. I liked the way they glittered, especially the blue. They're just kind of loud. The blue's kind of icy, which I like. And then this is another glitter I got from my friend, but we were going to use this glitter today. That's why I have it out. And this is what I decided to use today. So we're using Valentino's Luscious Pink. It's so cute. It's like my favorite color, like Cover Blush Young Nails, the nude. It's like that, but pink, which I absolutely love. And then here it all is. And we will get started. So I just want to show you guys these long tips I have. I got these at the nail store, but I don't even remember these, to be honest. And now we're just starting out. I got a new acrylic brush. That's why there was already acrylic on my nail. I got a new acrylic brush that was 14, and I kind of regret it. It's so big and it's kind of hard to use. So I just went back to my old brush and I am just applying this nail. The pinky and the thumb will be the solid pink. And then I'll show you guys something a little special on the pinky and the middle finger. But you guys can just watch me fill this in for now. Alrighty, so now the ring finger and the pointer finger will both be this pink to clear ombre, and then we'll have the candy hearts right on the top. So I'm just filling it in. I usually do the glitter on top, so that's why I'm putting kind of like a lot of the glitter on the bottom right now, even though I put it on top again, but I was just trying to figure out what to do. But anyway, so I'm putting the lustrous pink on the bottom, and now I'm placing the candy hearts. I'd make sure that I got a variety of the colors. I wanted all the colors in there. So I'm just placing them as best as I can. And make sure the words are facing the right way, because I did one, I think it was the wrong, yeah, love you on the bottom there is flipped. It is not looking right. But just place them how you feel, and then I'll jump back in. All right, so I didn't want the clear to be perfectly clear, so I just took a little bit of clear and mixed it with that pink glitter I showed you guys earlier, and I'm just putting that in kind of the open spaces and a little bit over some of the conversation hearts. When I do nails, especially kind of like freestyle-ish is like this, if I have an element, I like to make sure it's kind of spread across the other nails, usually like 3 times. I don't know, it's kind of, maybe it's like the designer in me, but that's just how I do it, because the pinky was going to have the glitter, the thumb's going to have the glitter, and I wanted to make sure there was another element that had that pink glitter in there. So that's what we did. I just want to pop in and tell you about my life right now. So this morning, I woke up at 7 a.m. because I kept getting calls on my phone with my area code just over and over again. And I was like, oh, these are just going to be like whatever, these like robocalls or scammer calls or whatever, so I'm not answering. And usually, you get like 1 or 2 maybe, but I'm still recording this now at 9:39, the voiceover. I have gotten literally, I think, 18 calls. What? And they're all from different numbers. Like, I've blocked all the numbers and they just keep coming in from different numbers with usually the same area code. So, like, did someone sell my number? I have no idea. I have to like call one of those, put me on the no call list maybe thing. I have no idea. But yep, that's what's happening in my current life right now. And I do not remember typing my number into anything, so I don't get these calls. Like, I don't remember doing that at all. And they're all healthcare insurance, supposedly, which I know they're not. And now we're just top coating or capping in clear. And again, remember, this is my right hand. And I have not done my right hand because I have those press-ons for a while, so I haven't done it in a while. So this application is just not my best. So we had to do quite a bit of filing, but it's all right. All right, so let me explain what we're doing up next. So I really like to make my own charms. I don't do it that often, but it's kind of fun. And I just got the trippy gel from Nails by Dev, so I could use that today. And I'll also be using acrylic, but we're going to be making the little heart lollipops for Valentine's Day to go on my middle finger. I just thought it would be so cute. I have a cute little jelly red that I think would be perfect. And let's get started. So this is the trippy gel that I was talking about. I got the smallest container. I haven't used it so far, so this will be the first time I'm using it, but I'm only going to use it for the like the stick of the lollipop. So I just grab a little bit, and for this a little bit went a long way. I definitely grabbed too much, but that's all right. And now I'm just rolling it like clay and trying to make it into a stick. Make sure your hands are clean. I did have some like leftover glitter and stuff on my hands, which did get into the stick a little bit, which was kind of annoying. So just make sure your hands are clean before you do that. And then I started rolling it on this, not dual form. I always forget what this is called. We're just going to call it a dual form, even though it's not a dual form. Yeah, I don't know. So this little thing, so I just roll it on here. But you have to be careful. You can't roll it too hard because as you can see, I got it stuck and then it was not coming off and I had to re-roll it. Like I just took it all off, re-rolled it, and then I just threw it back on, but like lightly because I still needed the surface. But you guys will see in just a sec. Yeah, there it is. Lightly on there now. And now just don't press too hard and you'll be fine. And now I'm taking the acrylic, a dry bead. So I took the acrylic, I put the other side of the brush on a paper towel, got a little bit of the liquid out. And now, oh, I cured the stick. Don't forget to cure the stick. Oh my God. Okay, and then I put the dry bead onto the little aluminum thing. And now I'm shaping the heart. But see that left bead, that second bead was a little bit too wet. So make sure you do dry it enough. And there you go. Just start shaping. I did the triangle part of the heart first, and then I'm going to do the two humps of the heart second. So you guys can just watch me do that. While that sets, we're going to go ahead. I just filed my nails off camera, and this is me just showing you that. And now I'm going to do my little sugar nails. So the pinky and the thumb are going to be sugar nails. So I just put top coat on there, poured that glitter out onto my nail, get a nice even coat, and that one's all done. Quick and easy. Now for our beautiful little charm. So cute. So cute. So we have our little charm. I'm showing it off, I guess. And then I just needed to file it a little bit. Try to get it as perfect as you can so you don't have to file that much. Or if you just put top coat on, I'm sure it'll smooth most things. But I just had like that little spike. You can't see it right now, but I had a little spike on there that I had to file off a little bit. But just smooth it. It does not have to be perfect because, again, you're top coating it and that will pretty much smooth most of it out. So file what you need and then we'll move on. And now we're going to top coat. So I decided to top coat the top, obviously with shiny, and then the stick is going to be with matte. So to attach, I decided to use this Synergy gel. You can, of course, use bling gel and stuff like that, but my bling gel is just super messy and I just don't like using it. So I had this just, I don't know why, but I had it. And I just put a thick old glob on the back of my charm. I even fill it up in the end. I don't show you guys that, but some of the lollipop is kind of sticking up. So I just fill in under it too so that it doesn't get caught on anything or like that, and it's real strong. And then I decided, because this nail was matte originally and I just did not like how it was looking matte, so I just did a top coat on this nail too, made it nice and shiny. And the only thing not shiny on this nail is, of course, the stick for the lollipop. Also, sorry, I didn't show me placing it. That's because I just lost the footage and I was like, dang it. But yeah, I think I filmed me curing my hand instead of me actually like placing the lollipop. So that's what happened. And now I just tried this today because I just wanted to place it easier, I guess. But now I'm just taking that same Synergy gel and wiping it on the nail just so I can like kind of place the bear however I feel like it instead of trying to like guess and then having to keep moving him. But anyway, that's what I did. And now I decided I did not want a bear on the ring finger, and I just moved that pink bear to the glitter nail and then adjusted the blue nail. I will eventually take the green off. There you go. And I felt like the 3 charms was good. I didn't want to overdo the charms with 4, so I just did 3. I feel like it looked nice and the composition looked better, so that's what we did. Now for our final sugar nail. So this nail, I actually did the sugar and then I put a giant gummy bear on this thumb, but it just did not look right, so it just stayed a regular sugar nail. I think that was the best choice. It just, the composition was off. It was off. And here's the reveal. I'm really happy with that. I really wanted to do a very like quote unquote traditional Valentine set before Valentine's was over. Just a good, nice little freestyle moment. And I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any suggestions of what characters or designs to do, please let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one.